Hi, and welcome to another video in our Methodologies and Best Practices series for SAP BusinessObjects Lumira. In this video, we're going to show you how to create an infographic with SAP BusinessObjects Lumira and how to share it with your audience. First, we'll go through the different sections of the infographic, and then in the second step, we'll show you how to export the infographic to a PDF format so that you can share the file by email. Now, creating your visualization and your infographic with Lumira doesn't require deep analytics, design, or storytelling skills. So what is an infographic? Infographics are visual representations of information, data, or knowledge that are intended to display insights quickly and clearly to a defined audience. They're not used in live presentations, but are meant to be read. They should be easy to consume and should only contain a few visualizations like grids, graphs, maps, pictograms, and images. Infographics should be used when you want to provide a general overview on a topic. Typically, only 2 or 3 key findings are highlighted. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you should select the data set that you want to use. Lumira enables you to combine multiple data sets in a single infographic. Second, you should define your overall layout. You can select a detailed overview template in Lumira where the length automatically increases as you add more content. And then third, you should set context for your visualization. Who are you? What do you want to talk about? Where does the data come from? And things like a logo, an image, an illustration, or a text section should be added to the infographic to identify what is being shown. When choosing a format to visualize your data, we recommend using visualizations that leverage precognitive attributes. Now, precognitive attributes are elements like size, length, orientation, and color. Once you've created the visualization, always ask yourself, is this clear enough for the intended audience? Also, identify and eliminate any unnecessary elements in your visualization. It's best to highlight key facts using color and eventually add short text statements to support your story. Also consider the headlines of your different sections should always clearly describe what the visualization implies. We'd recommend to put the key findings of your analysis in the title of the specific section. Depending on the context, you can also leverage icons or pictograms to bring your story to life. Lumira comes with some basic icons included and allows you to import your own icons as SVG files very easily. Keep in mind that every element in your visualization must be used with a purpose. Reasons like, but it looks nice, are not relevant when sharing your story. At the bottom of the infographic, you should mention your data sources. To avoid any misunderstandings, you should always disclose where your data comes from. It brings credibility and integrity to your work, especially when using public data sources. Once your infographic is done, you can easily export the file and save it as a PDF using Ctrl, Shift, and X. Now you can share it with your audience by email or file server. The recipient will just need to open the PDF file to see your infographic. This is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this demo and found it useful. Thank you, and goodbye.